Hello, I'm the professor, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to a true innovation in cleaning training, the CleanSmart Academy Training Kit. This isn't your traditional approach. For centuries, cleaning training has relied on the labor-intensive shadowing method, where new hires shadow experienced cleaners. But CleanSmart disrupts this outdated model. With our kit, you can replace weeks of shadowing with just 3 days of engaging, animated training. Studies show our animations improve retention by over 60%, allowing trainees to retain methods longer with minimal supervision. Imagine the time and cost savings. No need to pull seasoned cleaners from their work just to train. Instead, our virtual training brings all the expertise right to your team, wherever they are. And here's where CleanSmart really shines. Not only do we save you time, but our kit solves some of the biggest challenges faced in our industry today: shortages of cleaners and trainers. By automating so much of the training process, we free up both cleaners and trainers to focus on their tasks, uninterrupted by traditional shadow training's chaos. And let me show you one of the most innovative parts of our kit, the fully editable manual. CleanSmart is a back-office platform coded specifically for user interaction. Unlike even some of the biggest virtual universities, where students can't directly edit course content, our users can go in and customize each training manual. This one-of-a-kind feature allows companies to make CleanSmart's training truly their own, adapting it to specific procedures and needs. What truly makes CleanSmart so effective and consistent is its use of strategic steps for each cleaning area. Each section is crafted to ensure that cleaners miss nothing, working in a specific order that guarantees both quality and efficiency. By following these optimized procedures, your cleaners can achieve the best results in the best time possible, every time. And here's where it gets even better for commercial cleaning companies. With CleanSmart, you don't need to focus solely on adding new locations to scale. Instead, you can expand into residential cleaning services, offering your expertise to building owners and executives in their homes. Our kit prepares your team to deliver the same professionalism and efficiency to residential spaces, creating a new revenue stream without the challenges of a new site. It's a straightforward, scalable solution that empowers your business to grow in new ways, creating valuable connections with clients who already trust you. And don't just take my word for it. Watch what happens when companies adopt CleanSmart. Training becomes faster and more efficient, and since the kit is so accessible, many cleaners actually want to become trainers. They love the idea of guiding new hires using the animated tools rather than cleaning while they train. At the heart of this innovation is our commitment to consistency, efficiency, and sustainability. The CleanSmart Academy Training Kit isn't just another training manual, it's a paradigm shift. With digital delivery, reduced environmental impact, and a format that empowers your team, we're setting a new standard in cleaner training. Visit our website at www.cleansmartacademy.com to see how CleanSmart can transform your team's training. Join us in this new era of innovative, efficient, and sustainable cleaning education.